Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be discussing how you can transfer money from PayPal to Remitly. Let's get started. So as you can see here, I am on remitly.com and here I have a sophisticated breakdown on how you can send money with Remitly. Let's get started. So first things first, you need to sign up for a free Remitly profile. You can go ahead and do this via your smartphone or on a laptop by visiting remitly.com. Once you've done that, go ahead and choose where you want to send the money and how much. Select the country you wish to send the money to and the amount to transfer. And of course, Remitly will go ahead and clearly show their exchange rates and fees so you know exactly what and how much you're paying. Once you've done that, choose your money delivery method. This can be, of course, a bank deposit, a cash pickup, a mobile wallet, or a home delivery. Once you've done so, enter the details of your recipient, of course, who you're sending the money to, provide their information, which will probably include their full name, contact details, and their phone number. Once you've done so, check your money transfer details and then go ahead and confirm the transfer. Then simply you have to choose how to pay for your transfer. You can do it by using from a bank transfer via the UK's faster payment services, debit card or a credit card transfer or Apple Pay or more. If you're more curious, you simply have to go ahead and click on this link right here as shown. And then once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and track your money transfer because it will take a few days to go ahead and process it. And then once your money transfer is complete, your recipient receives the money you've sent using the delivery method you chose. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.